What's up, Vibes fam? Welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video on a rope in and come cook with me. On today's menu, we have some Nashville style hot wings. And here are the ingredients that I will be using today. So let's combine all our spices that we will be using to marinate the wings. So half cup of cayenne pepper, 6 tablespoons garlic powder, 2 tablespoons black pepper, 2 tablespoons salt, 6 tablespoons paprika. I was using a half tablespoon, that's why I do so much measurement, but yes, 6 tablespoons paprika, 6 tablespoons onion powder, and 4 tablespoons brown sugar. Combine well and divide it into 3 parts. On my chicken wings, I'm going to pour 1 container of buttermilk. Guys, this is 3 pounds of chicken. Next, I'm going to add 1 container of the seasoning. Remember, I said separate it into 3 parts, so I'm using 1 of them. So yeah, stir up everything and try to ensure it's incorporated well with the buttermilk. And what we're gonna do, we're going to refrigerate it for at least 4 hours. I said at least, because I want to get it good and nice and taste good down to the bone. So yeah, at least 4 hours. But you know, overnight would be better always. So yeah, we that. So here it is. So yes, we are all ready now. So guys, what you can do, you can rinse this off and pat them dry if you want. If you don't want to go through all of what me I go do right or so, but I don't want all of that nice seasoning to go anywhere. So I'm just going to be sliding my hand over each chicken wing to remove the majority of the buttermilk seasoning, and then I'm placing it on a paper towel to absorb some of the extra buttermilk. So yeah, it would be easier for sure for just pour, just, you know, like you turn on the pipe and make the water run on it and you just kind of rinse it off and then pat them dry. It would be easier, but guess what? I know everything were easier, good era, right? No, we know that. So you know me feel about seasoning, so yeah, me I go take the hard route. Me not have a problem with that. And we that done and dusted. Now let's put our oil for go and eat up. So dash it in. And while that are going hot up, now let's prepare our flour to dip the wings in. So 1 cup of flour, and this is the second batch of seasoning. So add it and combine well with it, well. Okay, now let's coat our wings with the flour, and I'm gonna set it on my tray after I'm done. So you know, you could have like coat each piece and then put it in the oil and coat each piece. No, me not really have not it. I think it's easier this way, and you get everybody for fry good, like, you know, everybody in one accord. So yeah, and done. Now the oil is ready, so add the wings to our hot and ever ready oil, and you're gonna fry each batch for about 8 to 10 minutes, turning them well golden brown and pretty. So that's another thing, when you don't put them in all at once, it's easier for know, say, all right, them don't cook together, you know. So Yeah. So turn these. Gonna look nice. And now we're gonna take y'all out. Now let's add the rest of the wings. I'm gonna set up on yourself good in the pot there. And take out those that are ready. And ready to be flippity flop. Flip them over and tooks them out. Took them out. Mr. Took them out. Mr. Took them out. Mr. Took them out. Mr. Took them out. Okay, guys. So the oil that you use to fry the chicken, you're going to pour it into another pot. Yes, we are using the same oil for maximize pan flavor, but you don't want the bits and the pieces from frying the wings in it. So that's why I'm saying put it in another pot and then add the last batch of seasoning to it. And what you're going to do, you're going to leave it for basically just melt, but constantly stir. You want everything for combine and melt together. And then we say that pan low flame though to ensure that it doesn't burn. Here are my beautiful wings. Them look good and ready. So I'm going to use a spoon to pour the mixture on each chicken wings. Guys, this is spicy. I say spicy. So you want to take that into consideration. If you have children and they don't like spice, then take out some of them we fry and set aside for them without the hotness on it. Yeah? So pour. This is so, and make sure like mix it up good and stuff so that you get a nice little juicy niceness. I don't have words. Listen, I'm just sometimes like I know me cook them food here. Me just yes. Oof. Fling me one of them wings there. Vibes, fam. Here we have it. Me say, here we have it. Draw a stool, draw a bench, uno come here. So some Nashville style hot wings, so spicy and good. And them say hotness. Look at those royal wings. Uno come through with a nice brown skin. Guys, remember the measurement I gave you guys is for 3 pounds of wings, right? So if you have less than that, then cut in a half. Right? Look pan them. Uno never have to ask me. I tell you them them juicy. You're biting it just nice and delicious and no dry rings round here. Yes, come through niceness. Oh Lord, I can't take it. Guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and new watchers, hey, what's up? Please subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for your support, guys. God bless you. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much, and please take care of yourself.